Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to ignore repeated touch delay in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To access repeat touch delay options, we have to go to the settings first, then scroll down to accessibility options, vision, hearing, dexterity. We are interested in interaction and dexterity options right here. So here we have ignore repeated touches. Set a time within which to ignore repeated touches. Let's go here. And here we can set up our timer. Tap here twice to test. Turn on is this function after the test. And it's set up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.